how-to video for sampling live bees for the Colony Health Monitoring Program. Before leaving for an apiary sampling, ensure that all the equipment is on hand. Open one live bee shipping box. It should contain identification stickers that include 10 white identification labels for Varroa sampling vials and 10 colored colony identification labels. It should also include a petri dish glued to the bottom of the box filled with queen candy, and finally a sponge. In addition, you will fill the 10 Varroa sampling vials which were supplied to you in the sampling box with alcohol or windshield washer fluid. Then, place the identification labels on each Varroa vial. Set up the sampling equipment. First, you'll wet the sponge until it's fully expanded and then place it in the petri dish on top of the queen candy. Following this, close the shipping box, making sure that the two sides with metal screens match up to ensure proper ventilation for live bees. Then, place the funnel into the hole on the top of the box. Inspect the brood chamber and find a brood frame for sampling with at least some uncapped brood. Ensure the queen is not on the frame. If you find the queen, either put the frame back and sample from the next frame with uncapped brood, or move the queen into another frame before you sample it. Shake the bees from the frame into a wash tub. Then knock the wash tub to gather the bees into one corner so you can scoop out a 1/4 cup of adult bees. Put the 1/4 cup of adult bees into the funnel inserted in the lid of the live bee shipping box. Gently tap the box to force the bees from the funnel into the box. Place the 1/4 cup or the vial lid in the funnel so that you can reduce the risk of live bees escaping from the box. Next, scoop a 1/2 cup of bees from the tub and put into the Varroa vial that was previously filled up with alcohol or winter washer fluid. Make sure the colony number on the Varroa sample identification label matches the colony number from where the samples were taken. Place the brood frame back into the colony and dump any bees remaining in the collection wash tub back into the colony and close it up. Repeat these steps until all 10 colonies have been sampled. Please note that we are sampling live bees at the apiary level, and so samples from all 10 colonies are to be placed in the same live shipping box. Varroa samples will be analyzed at the colony level, and so samples from each colony will be placed in a separate Varroa sampling vial. Secure the hole in the lid of the live bee shipping box by closing the cardboard flap and using clear tape along the red lines to ensure that the box is securely sealed. You can do this by wrapping the tape around the box one way and then wrapping it around the box the other way. Place the Canada Post shipping label inside the label sleeve, peel off the paper covering the adhesive plastic, and place the sleeve with the label on the box. Please try not to cover the live bee shipping box identification label during this process. Drop off the live bee shipping box at the nearest post office on the same day that you have collected the sample so that they are mailed that day. If this is not possible, send them as soon as possible the next day.